Welcome guys, today I am with Beats Studio 3, an Android phone, and I'm gonna show you how you can power on and power off this headset. So at the first, take a look on this button. It's the power button that we are going to use. I'm right now connected, so it means that the device is turned on. To power off, you have to click and hold this button. Take a look on the indicators. When they disappear, it means that the device is powered off. As you can see, the connection disappear. It stays on the previously connected devices. So to power on, use this button one more time, click and hold. When this indicator lights up, you can release the button. And as you can see, there it is, we are connected. So that was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.